Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, wahpinas.com, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Kata V6. Of course, since it's a V6, it's the next one after Kata V5. I'm trying to look for the Kata V5 if I still have one unit here in the house. So basically, this is a Kata V6. It's the newest entry-level phone that Kata is bringing in. According to the sticker here, it uses an 8 megapixel autofocus camera, most likely in Urion, 5 megapixel front camera. It uses a quad-core 1.3 GHz processor, MTK6580 according to the spec sheet that they have. It's a 5-inch phone, 5-inch screen, Super HD. It has 2,400 milliamperes na battery, and it has fingerprint sensors. Ayan, kita nyo. Okay, so remove the sticker. That's protecting it. Okay. Pagin natin dyan para walang kalat. Okay. Let's also remove the one that's covering the front para malinis. Okay. So it comes with the usual na laman, ano? So ginawa na nila ngayong box yung sa loob. Okay. So it comes with its manual, cable, the battery. Wala po siyang kasamang wall charger, okay, wall mount. Okay, so to open it up, ayan, okay, hanapin nyo yung notch ilalim, haba ng kuko ko, pasensya na, which is good para mag-open ng cellphones. Okay, according to the spec sheet, it carries it has an 8 gig internal storage and 1 gig RAM. Okay, the camera, the battery, as you can see, it's 2,400. Okay. So put the cover back. It's a dual SIM card available in color black and white, but we have, of course, here's obviously the white. It runs on an Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Okay, wala yatong baterya. Okay, look na lang, may ready tayong ano. The charging port is still a micro USB. Ayan, as you can see, it's in the bottom. Okay. So hi guys, we're finally back. I found the Kata V5. Low-bat yung V6, ano. So there was no charge in the battery. So ayan, you can see it, it's already on. Okay. Let's increase the, okay. So comparing it to the Kata V5, the predecessor, yan, nakikita naman yun, di ba? Nakikita naman, okay. So the V5 is a 4.5 Super HD screen compared to the V6, which is a 5-incher. Battery din, difference nila yun, no, is 1,800 milliamperes versus the 2,400 milliamperes. Okay, the processor is parang 1.3 GHz. I forgot exactly which kind of processor this the V5 is using, ano. And as you can see, it uses the same camera modules. Ito, meron din siyang fingerprint yata itong V5. I don't remember anymore. Anyway, so finally on. Okay, so para makita nyo yung settings, punta tayo settings. Okay. Okay, about the phone, as you can see, it says here Android 6.0. Okay. The date and time hindi ko pa inayos, on lang. Kaya mo na, it's for yan. Memory, okay. As you can see, total memory is 94 GB. Okay. 0.94, okay. Storage and availability. So you have 3.2 GB left available for use with the Kata V6, ano. Okay. Camera. Okay, so that's the rear settings. Okay, let's go there. You can set smile shot. Okay. Picture size is 80 megapixels. Capture, you can mali, self timer. 40 or 99 for burst shots. Okay. We'll go to the front camera. Okay. See? There, 5 megapixels. Okay? So, meron din siyang face detection, anti-shake, and all this stuff. Okay? So, as I mentioned before, the power button and the volume buttons on the right, which is different from the Kata V5. The V5 naman kasi, it's on the right yung power button, the volume button, and it's on the left. Okay? And the V5 has a semi-metal build yung gitna niya. No? This is purely plastic na removable yung likod. Okay? The 3.5 mm jacks, mag-opposite sila. The V6 is on the right side, the V5 is on the left, and the micro USB port is on the top for the V5. Okay? Mas mabigat ng konti itong si V5 kasi I guess probably because of the metal body. Okay, price-wise, it's priced at 3,399. Colors, black and white. Let's see the fingerprint pala, no? Let's find it. Okay. Where is it? So kaya yun. Language and input, security. Okay, screen light, swipe, fingerprint. Okay. So continue. Set up screen lock daw muna. Okay, pattern tayo. Okay. Continue. That's how you set the you always need to set a pattern first. Hide para wala nakakita ng mo. Okay, next. So fingerprint, ayan, nilalagay ko yung finger ko sa likod, index finger. Okay. You have to move it para makuha niya lahat. Done. Okay. So we're gonna lock it, okay, and open it using the finger. See? May pattern pa rin siya for extra security. Okay. So, kita naman, mabilis naman siya. Diba? Bakit? Okay. So, that's it for the quick unboxing. You can probably order this already at any of the Kata kiosk stores nationwide, or probably try it on Lazada. Price-wise is 3,399 only. Thanks, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.